Hi friends, I'm Alice and welcome to your practice. This short flow is here to help you soothe your anxiety and calm your spiraling thoughts. And you don't need any props today, just a quiet space, your mat and some comfy clothes. So when you're ready, we're going to start on our bellies. So come on down onto your front. Stretch your legs out nice and long and bring your hands underneath your forehead. Elbows nice and wide. And just pick up one leg, reach that leg back a little bit further, extending the front of the body, and then pop it down. And pick up the other leg, keeping it straight, lengthen it away from you, and pop it down. And do that one more time each side. Lift it up, lengthen, and pop it down. And then lift, lengthen, and pop it down. And let your forehead relax on the backs of the hands. Just feeling yourself grounded in contact with the floor. And see if you can really give your weight to the floor. Give in to the force of gravity. And as you find weight, feel your incredible body supporting you, fighting back against gravity to help you breathe. So you feel that sensation of release on your exhale. Inhale, you feel the belly rise and expand and press into the floor, opening up and filling the lungs. And then exhale, give in to everything once more, let it go. Inhale through the nose. And exhale. Feel everything shift. Keeping the lips sealed, we're going to breathe in just a third of your in-breath. And pause. Breathe in another third. And pause. Breathe all the way up to the top. Pause. And let it go. Take that again. Inhale a third. Pause. 2/3. Pause. All the way. Pause. And let it go. Inhale a third. Pause. Inhale 2/3. Pause. Inhale all the way. And let it go through the nose. Inhale a third. Pause. Inhale 2/3. Pause. Inhale all the way. Pause. And let it go. Breathe all the way in. And all the way out. Last one, feeling your body fighting against the floor, the incredible breath filling you up. And then the body just surrendering as you exhale. Staying with this breath as we move today. Bring your right arm out to the side in line with your right shoulder. Bring your left hand underneath your left shoulder. And we're going to roll onto our right side. So your arm straight to the side, your right arm. Roll onto your right side, and you might find you can bring the left foot to the floor. And just take a moment here to breathe and hinge back. It doesn't need to be a massive expression of the shape. I want you to find as much weight as you can, especially through the head. If you want a little bit more for the other shoulder, what you can do is take this hand and pop it behind the back. Or you can take it to the floor, fingertips to the floor, and create a little squeeze of that left elbow towards the right. And just finding those breaths. In and out of the nose. One more. Good. Come out of it. Stay on your right side and bring your left hand out in front of you. Bring your left knee out in front of you as well. And as we do that, we're going to slide our right hand, we're going to sweep it up to the top of the mat and all the way over towards the other side of the room. Keeping the left knee where it is, just start to reach the left arm back behind you where you just came from and taking it into a spinal twist. Maybe the head turns towards the fingertips as well. You can add a bit of extra weight on the outer knee if that feels nice. And breathe. Find somewhere you can be comfy. And then find your way all the way onto your back. Bringing the left hand back, extending the left leg, and come all the way back onto your front. I'm going to take the other side. So take your left arm out to the side, right hand under the shoulder, heavy through the head as you roll onto your left side. And you might find the foot wants to just reach, or you might find it wants to bend, and you bring the sole of the foot to the floor. If you would like to, you can bring your right hand back behind you to the lower back, or maybe to the floor, and find the fingertips to the floor, find a bit of squeeze of the elbow towards the other arm. Feel that squeeze between the shoulder blades and that popping, cracking open of your chest to sense and find some more breath. That's all we ever want to do when we find ourselves in an anxious place. Because the natural reaction to stress and anxiety in our body, the natural response, is to seize up, to tighten up, and get really tight, specifically in the shoulders and the chest. Our breaths get short, and then it's like a vicious cycle. Because if we're not using our breath to its full capacity, we're not triggering our parasympathetic nervous system, we're not encouraging that soothing sensation. And then we get more stress and the breath gets tight again. So it's just more tight, it's just a vicious circle. So right now, be proud of yourself trying to break that cycle. Come all the way back, bring your right hand out in front of you, right knee out in front of you, and then swim the left arm up and over all the way to the other side of the room. And start to twist back behind you towards the right side. Reach the right arm away and look over to the right as well. Maybe you grab the outside of your right knee if you want a bit of weight, and just 4 breaths here. Nice full, smooth breaths. In through the nose. And out through the nose. And in. And out. And in. and out. Bring your right hand in and come all the way back onto your front, extending both legs and bring the forehead to the floor and take your fingertips off to the edges of the mat. 10 and 2 o'clock, elbows nice and high. Take a breath in, push your fingertips into the floor as you lift your chest away. Take a breath. Exhale, let it go. And really embody this movement. Just get what you need from it. Exhale, let it go. Just 2 more. Inhaling. Full deep breath. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. Slide your hands underneath the shoulders and find your way back into child's pose. Bring the toes together and bring the knees a little bit narrower than you normally would and slide the hands forward just for a moment. Feel some length, maybe even come onto the fingertips and feel that reach, a little bit of reach. Feel the tension and the tautness in the back of your ribs and see if you can breathe into them, expanding it a little bit more. And you can stay here, you can soften the elbows and just let it go, or if you'd like to, you can take it into embryo. So the knees can come a little bit closer together and we start to slide our hands back behind us, find the palms face up. You can even hook the backs of the heels with the hands if you'd like to. And just release. Let the shoulders roll towards the floor. Let the breath come in big waves. And then when you're ready, bring the hands back under the shoulders. Gently roll all the way up. Staying seated on the heels if you want to, or sitting cross-legged if you'd like. Bring one hand to the upper belly and one hand to the heart. And just sense the steadying of your breath. The movement beneath your palms, the softening of your outline, the weight of your body giving into the floor ever so slightly. And take a big breath in through the nose and let it go. And release. Thank you so much for taking the time to move and breathe with me today. I hope you're feeling a little bit more grounded and more at ease. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you got on in the comments below. And if you're enjoying these practices and you want more, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to be notified of every weekly upload. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, rest of your week, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Lots of love.